Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Bunzo Bunny from Poppy Playtime. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share this video. All of that is awesome. So to get started drawing Bunzo, I'm going to do a line like this. And then I'm going to give it a curved bottom like that. This is actually going to be his mouth. So I'm going to do a little hill inside it, which is going to be the tongue. And then we're going to have two squares like this for his teeth. All right, so next, let's move up a little bit and we can do circle right here and circle right here, and these are going to be the eyes. So I'm going to put another little circle up top, and then we can color the rest in dark. Next, let's do a little triangle underneath that, and the other eye too. And up top, we're going to also do a triangle. This one's going to be a little bit taller, like that. And now we can start working on the shape of the face. So we can come on down like this, and we can be sure to give a little bit of a cheek. Come out that way for a little bit of a cheek, and come on inward. And up top here, we've got like a few little bits of fluffy hair. And then we can come on down. And do the side of the face and come on in like that. Now we're going to give a big circle right here. And same on the other side. And these are going to be some rosy cheeks. And now we've got a party hat up here. So we can do a triangle. And then we can do like a fluffy little pom-pom at the top. And we're going to do stripes on this hat. Like that. Now, he needs two ears, but we'll get to that now after. I'm going to do two little lines here for a neck, and we can do a bit of fluffy fluff here, a bit of bunny fur. And I'm going to do a strap here, and come on down, and give it a rounded bottom like that. And we're going to do another one. And we can do a big circle inside here at the bottom. And we can do a little X on the inside. And I'm going to do a little line coming across here. And coming on down a little bit on both sides. And right here, I'm going to do an oval. And I'm going to do one over here as well. It's going to be holding those symbols. So we can draw the arm coming down here, and the hand is going to be underneath this symbol. And we got an elbow right here, and then we can come on up, and then we're going to draw a little line coming downward. And now over here, we can see a little hand holding that symbol, and we can bring it inward here. And we got a shoulder here, and we got a little elbow, and then we can bring this line down here. And now we can put a line here and a line here, and now we can put in his ears. So we can draw one like that. And I'm going to put a little inside shape to it. And over here, it'll be kind of behind them. And we can do the inside shape as well. Like that. And let's see, let's finish up this clothing. Do a little line like this, and it's like his shorts have like cute little ruffles on the legs. Do some more of those cute little ruffles. I'm just doing like a pile of different like little U shapes. Like that. And let's do a line like this, and another one for a leg, and we can do a great big bunny foot with 1, 2, 3 toes. And we can do the bottom pads on the foot. So we can do an oval here, and then 1, 2, 3 little circles there for like the toe pads. And right here we can do a line and another one, and do another great big bunny foot and do the toes. So like 1, 2 little lines for those toes. All right, so we're done drawing, and now I'm gonna get to coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful, super day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, goodbye.